Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by capturing a dedicated noise sample. This is how Reaper learns the unwanted sounds. Arm a track and record a few quiet seconds of only room noise, no talking. Once done, select that region and duplicate it so you keep the original. Make sure the project sample rate matches your recording, for example 48 kHz. Mismatched rates cause artifacts. This preparatory step gives the noise reduction tool a clean reference and prevents your voice from being treated as noise. Now, insert RIA-FIR on the noisy track. It's the native, easy option. Open RIA-FIR, choose Subtract Mode, then click Automatically Build Noise Profile, enable during playback, and play the noise-only region so RIA-FIR captures the spectrum. After capture, disable Automatic Capture. Next, refine parameters. Increase FFT size for more resolution, apply slight smoothing to avoid musical artifacts, and adjust band reduction depth. You must balance removal versus natural tone. Too aggressive makes the voice hollow. Finish by listening critically. Toggle RIA-FIR bypass to compare the cleaned audio with the original. If noise is reduced but the voice sounds dull, back off the reduction depth and try a smaller FFT size. You can also add a mild parametric EQ to restore presence and a gentle compressor for consistency. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce subtraction amount or recapture a cleaner noise sample and reprofile. That usually fixes over-subtraction issues. Trust your ears and iterate until natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.